Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you'll be fine. This is Cambridge Lower Secondary, Book 8, and today we are going to do exercise 2.6, question number 7 and onwards. So watch the video till the end and do not skip the video. We are going to discuss about the linear inequalities in this question. So it says this is part of Rayan's homework. Use the inequality x is greater than or equals to 12 and less than 18 to write the smallest integer that x could be. So for this one, always remember students, if we need to figure out that what are the values of x, how many values are included in x, for this we simply have to figure out that what are the limits given over here, or you can draw the number line, mark the numbers on the number line to make it further easier for you. So it becomes 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And then we are going to draw a line above this one, and we are going to make circle. Since 12 is equals to x, so we are going to color this one, but we are not going to color the other one. Then they're saying what is the smallest integer that x could be. So for this, we need to understand that what x could be. X could be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. It means that x includes the values from 12 till 17, not 18. 18 is not included because it does not involve an is equals to sign over here. Okay, so it's just 12 till 17. Now they're saying the smallest integer that x could be is 12. The correct answer to this is 12. But what Rayan has got 13. He has not included 12. It means he has not included the digits at the edges. And then the largest integer that x could be, it could be 17. Okay. So we can say that 17 could be the largest digit. But what Rian has written largest digit is 18. So what he has done, he has done the reverse of what actually has to be done. He has included 18 and he does not include 12. Although he must have included 12 and omitted 18. 18 is not included whereas 12 is included. So the correct answer to part 1 and 2 would be 12 and 17. And then the question requires to make a list of the integer values that x could be. So it could be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And what Rayan has written, since Rayan has considered the smallest as 13 and the largest as 18, so he has written the integers from 13 till 18. Although the correct answer to this would be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. This would be the correct answer. So what are the mistakes that Rayan has made? So Rayan has misunderstood the symbols. He has interpreted the is equals to sign as greater than and the only greater than sign as less than or equals to. So he has made so many mistakes out there. So basically he have used this sign for the first one and this sign for the second one. This is the misunderstanding that made his work wrong. Next, we have question number 8, which says, for each of these inequalities, write the smallest integer. So now we have to do what Rian has done in question number 7. Now we have to do it on ourselves. They're saying find the smallest integer that y could be. So the smallest integer would be the first one. Okay, that is 3. Here it would be 4. Here it would be 0. Here it would be minus 10. But no, this is not the case. We cannot consider these as the smallest one. For this, we simply have to draw the line, okay? And we have to look for the numbers which are included in that. So for the first one, it would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will draw a line over here, but we will look which of the circle would be colored. Since we do not have an equals to sign on either of them, so we are not going to color them. So only the digits between them are included. It means the smallest integer that y could be is equals to 4, smallest one, okay, and the largest one would be 7. This is the smallest and this is the largest, and the list of integers includes 4, 5, 6, 7. right? Similarly, let's draw a line over here between 4 and 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's draw a line over here and let's see which circle to color. Since y is not equals to 4, we are not going to color 4, but y equals to 7, so we will color this one. So it includes 5, 6, and 7 and not 4. So we will say that these three included numbers are included. The smallest one is 5, the greatest one is 6, and 7, and y includes 5, 6, 7. The three numbers are included. Okay. The next one, the number starts from 0 till 6. So we will draw the line accordingly. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we will draw a line over here, over and above these digits. We will look for the equals to sign. Here we have equals to sign with 0 but with not 6. So we will only color 0. So the smallest number would be 0 because it includes 0. And the largest would be 5 and not 6 because it does not include 6. And the list of integers that are included are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 0 till 5. All the numbers will come from 0 till 5. For the last one, we have digits from -10 to -6. So let's draw them. -10, -9, -8, -7, -6. Okay. And since both of them have is equals to sign, it means both of the circles will be colored. It means the smallest digit included is -10 and the largest digit included is -6. Always remember they are negative integers, so don't get confused with the smallest and the greatest. Do not write -6 as the smallest and -10 as the largest, because in the negative integers, the system is altogether different. So the numbers that are included in this would be -10, -9, -8, -7, and -6. But the numbers -10 and -6 will be included because both of them have equals to sign. Question number 9 says Arun and Sophia are looking at the inequality, which is y is greater than 2 and less than 9. Okay. Arun is saying inequality y is greater than 2 and less than 9 can be written as y is greater than 9 and less than 2. Okay, fine. And what is Sophia saying? Sophia is saying if 2 is less than y is greater than 2 and y is less than 9. So it can be written as y is less than 2 and less than greater than 9. So what do you think? Of course, Arun is correct. If they are saying y is greater than 2, so it means it includes the numbers from 2 till 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So when I'm going to put a line over here, none of the circles would be colored and the values of y includes 3 till 8. Okay. 2 and 9 are not included. So according to Arun, if I reverse the inequality would be now y is less than 9 and greater than 2. Previously it was, this one was y is greater than 2 and less than 9. So you can match that the previous inequality given in the question is exactly the same as Aaron's statement. It's just being changed in words. That is, they have changed the inequality from greater to smaller perspective, right? Otherwise, the inequality is exactly the same. You can say that the two are exactly the same. What is he doing? He is changing the signs, and according to the signs, he is changing the numbers. Y is less than 9. You can see that in the actual one, it was also less than 9. And y is greater than 2. So again, it is greater than 2. So the two are exactly the same. There's no difference out there. But when we talk about the inequality of Sophia, so Sophia is manipulating it in such a way that he is changing the inequality. Why? Because she is saying that y is now less than 2, whereas the actual one says that y is greater than 2. So how come the two are equal? Y is greater than 2 means y includes 3, 4, 5 and 6. Y is less than 2 means y includes 1 and 0 and the negative numbers. So how could two be equal to each other? So it means Sophia is absolutely wrong, but yes, Arun is absolutely correct. Now comes question number 10, which says write true or false for each statement. Part A has already been done for us. Y is less than or equals to 7 and greater than 3 means the same as y is greater than 3 and less than or equals to 7. Yes, of course. So you can say that if the inequality is having signs in the opposite direction, it would be the same if we are going to write it as 3 is less than y. Both means the same. Here y is greater than 3 or 3 is less than y. Similarly, 7 is greater than or equals to y, or you can say that y is less than or equals to 7. Are the two equal to each other? Similarly, if we talk about part B, so in part B, y is greater than 15 and here it is y is greater than or equals to 15. It means these two are not equal. We don't need to even see the other part because we can see that here y is greater than 15, y is not equals to 15, but here you will find that y is greater than and equals to 15. So the two are not equal to each other. So then y is less than or equals to 10. Y is less than or equals to 10, and here in the second one y is less than or equals to 10. They are the same. Now let's see for the second part. Y is greater than or equals to minus 6. So y is greater than or equals to minus 6. So the two are exactly the same. We can say that yes, this statement is true. Then the last one is y is less than 8 and greater than or equals to minus 8. Y is greater than 8. And here what are they saying? Y is greater than or equals to 8. Here they are not saying that y is greater than 8, but here they are saying y is greater than or equals to 8. So it means the two statements are not equal to each other. So what would be the true statement for this one? It would be y is less than 8 over here, and it is y is greater than or equals to minus 8. So we can say that y is greater than or equals to minus 8. So the true statement for part D would be minus 8 less than or equals to y less than 8. You see? This is how you are going to reverse it. So you just have to focus on the signs and the numbers that they are pointing towards. So here we have completed till question number 10. Inshallah, in the next video, we are going to try completing this exercise. Until then, take care and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and take care. Allah Hafiz.